Why do 70% of iPhone users panic when their phone freezes? What if you could fix most issues at home? Stay tuned for simple solutions, no tools needed. First up, does your iPhone freeze, drain battery too fast, or refuse to charge? Don't stress. Let's start with the easiest fix. A force restart. For Face ID models, just press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button till you see the Apple logo. Next, update your iOS. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. For battery drama, check battery health in Settings. If it's below 80%, think about a replacement. Charging issues? Clean your Lightning port gently, and always use an Apple-certified charger. If your phone gets wet, switch it off and pop it into a silica gel box. Skip the rice, it doesn't really work. And if nothing helps, try DFU mode, but don't forget to back up your data. For more tips, like and subscribe to Star Fix. Catch you next time.